Dozens of community partners gathered in Sudbury today to sign the 5th edition of the Community Threat Assessment Protocol. It was created to prevent and respond to tragic events in schools. CTV's Amanda Hicks has more.
Sudbury is one of the first regions in Ontario to sign the 5th edition of the Community Threat Assessment Protocol that was first introduced in 2011. It came at a time when school shootings were on the rise across North America.
It's really a process around how to first of all understand what data we should collect if somebody is moving on a pathway to violence, how to identify what the key risk enhancers are, and then intervene to lower and mitigate the risk. So it's a high-end threat assessment and an intervention model.
Anna Barsanti was there from the beginning and says the protocol seeks to identify an individual's change in behavior and connects them to the right supports if needed.
Some of the things that we look for is, did they bring a weapon to school? Are they threatening to bomb? Have they created injury with animals? So anything that's on a pathway to violence, because a shift in baseline may not mean towards a pathway to violence, but that's what we specifically look for. And then we try to interrupt it with a circle of care.
Since its inception, 33 partners have signed on across Sudbury, Espanola, and Manitoulin, including school boards, police services, mental health, and community organizations. Some spoke of the protocol's overall effectiveness in reducing violence.
You're not only influencing the child that you're working with, it's actually their sphere, their friends, their community, their family. So when you look at the impact that VITRA allows us to do, the preventative work, our top work as actual police officers, is we're able to assist those that are hurting in our community in the shadows.
Anytime that you have an opportunity to bring in multiple agencies and bring in that interprofessional, if you want, kind of support group, to look at this complex nature of some of our individuals that might be going through some challenging times, and then trying to find, how as a collective we can offer them the supports and services to get them back on the right path. I think I've seen several situations where that has occurred.
Cameron says the new version has been upgraded to include a level of perceived risk to others and methods of assisting neurodivergent individuals who display violent behaviors. Amanda Hicks, CTV News, Sudbury.